have this color coding system that I use where I can see what was there in the spring, what was there for summer, and then what I plan to put there for fall. And it just dawned on me I'm going to create a new plan that's strictly only fall. And I may even, as I'm talking about it out loud with y'all in real time, I may even only put in the plan the beds that I just talked about that will be for fall. Because it's, remember we were talking earlier and I said I can't see past the red walls. Like that's totally me. Seeing all of these plantings, like as I go into this critical part of my growing season, may just be too much for me. Like quite literally, I'm saying I'm simplifying these things. There are going to be
Right.
four spaces that I'm going to plant for fall. All four of them have something growing as of this recording. I'm sorry, I got a little, I can feel myself getting hyped up about it because
Go
it's like,
for it.
wait a minute, this could be an aha moment for me.
Do it.
It's something as simple as I'm looking at this plan. All I need to do is follow this new plan, not follow this comprehensive 3 season outline that I've created. And that's what I've been doing over these past seasons. My instincts say if I can now just focus on what I'm planting out next for these four spaces, that could be that could be the thing that I need personally to fight the procrastination, the second guessing, the wait, I should change this. Yeah, because that's where I end up in most times. It's like, well, my plan for 6 months has said plant kale here. And now I'm like, but what if and then it's like, all right, we'll just try it again next year.
Yeah.
So
Do you,
I think you have to know you and know your garden space as to whether or not you need to change the plan. And if you don't have a plan, I mean, this is the time to create one.
well, and we were talking earlier, and you had said something about me.
Mm-hmm.
What did you say? I can't remember what you said. You can tone it down a little bit if you want, but what did you say?
Well, I mean, there are three things that I won't dare say because I
Yeah,
know you're not
don't
talking
say
about
that.
them. You don't want people to know about that. No, um, it's the it's the difference between he and I, right? So I am just like I said. I am on August the 10th, looking and saying my plan for months has said to put this vegetable here, but I am thinking about doing something else, and I'm going to second guess the decision I made and had set on for 6 months and just jump in and do this other thing. It almost never works out for me. Where you, I feel like you said it, you don't forget it, but you just execute,
Yeah.
right? So there is not a lot of hemming and hawing, as my mom would say, that you're doing in your space. I can't imagine you ever sitting in front of a bed saying in August, I wonder, right?
No, well, I mean, it's so it's one of those things too where we keep going back to the realistic part of it, but it's
Mhm.
being realistic about it and understanding like this is what's going to happen outside. Like
Mhm.
you're going to get really hot. We're probably going to get a hurricane of some sort. Maybe not terrible, I don't know. But that's a definite possibility. It's going to be really humid, but we also know that this cool down is coming. And so I look at it and I say, well, what can I do realistically? What can I put in here? And I have to, especially this time of year, you really got to start counting down the days. I mean, you have to count down the days. And so I look at it and I say, well, I know that this takes this long to produce, this takes that long to produce, blah, blah, blah. And you start working into it and it's like, no, this isn't going to work. You know what I mean? Like I need to take it down a notch and just understand that I made this plan, and if it's not working for me, fine, but there's really nothing I can do to change it. So what's more important to me? And for me, it's more important for me to learn how that plant grows, learn how it grows in the season that it's in, and to attempt to get a harvest. But it's also more important than all of that is not to repeat the same mistake. And so I've done it over the years, and you've seen me do it. I take the L, and I fucking and I tattoo it on my head. My bad.
Mhm.
I tattoo it on my head, and I just like, look, I lost it. It's it
Yeah,
happens,
yeah.
and you saw that with the wild garden. It sat there for years and years and years, and
Mhm.
I struggled silently about it, but it just got to a point where it wasn't working out. So I waited that whole season. I grew that season in the plan. And what I told myself was, I'm going to watch it, I'm going to grow it, and this is the final chance. And if it doesn't give me what I want, plan B. It took
Yeah.
me 4 years with that garden area to be like, no more.
Yeah.
I was tired of fighting the soil. I was tired of fighting the weeds. I was tired of the minimal harvest. I was tired. And so I just backed
Yeah.
off from it completely. But I stood that course because I didn't want, at the end of the day, there to be no question in my mind that I made the right decision. Because there was
Yeah.
nothing worse than making a decision and be like, I shouldn't have done that. You know what I mean? I want to
Hmm.
remove that option completely.
Yeah. I got a question for you, but before that,
Don't make me drop another F bomb.
yeah, I made you do that. Yeah. There is a saying I have that goes something like, I hate to learn this lesson again. Right. It's the making the same mistake again and not acknowledging I'm going into this, giving this another try. We'll see if it works out. But like stumbling into that same mistake, it's like you've already learned the lesson. It's actually the same. Like I hate to learn that lesson twice. But my question to you is one reason you'd say is valid, and again, it's relative, of course, to change your plan mid August.
One reason that it's valid.
Yeah. Give me one reason why it'd be valid for you or others to change your plan. And we're in mid August. We all
What
got the same number of days left in the year. Maybe not the growing year, but in the year.
so what are you referring to when you say change plan? Like are you talking about
Whatever you want it to be.
are you talking about like trying to plant something new for the summer season or the fall?
No, it's focused on fall. So I'll give you my example with the same question.
Okay.
So the growing space that I have that I had intended in the cage baby to plant for fall. I intentionally planted determinate tomatoes in that space, right? Because my mind said by the time we get to the end of August, those tomatoes will have wound down.